Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X7 bonnet. First, sit in the driver's seat. Reach down to the bottom right of the driver's footwell to find the bonnet release lever. This lever often has a 2X symbol. Pull it firmly once to engage the first stage of the release mechanism. You should hear a slight pop from the front of the vehicle, indicating the bonnet has partially unlatched. Now, pull the same bonnet release lever a second time. This action fully disengages the latching mechanism. You will hear another distinct click, confirming the bonnet is now completely unlatched and ready to be opened. This two-stage process is a safety feature common in many BMW models, including your X7, ensuring the bonnet doesn't accidentally fly open while driving. With the bonnet fully unlatched, walk to the front of your BMW X7. Gently lift the bonnet from the front edge. It should smoothly rise and then hold itself open thanks to its hydraulic struts. There's no need to search for a separate prop rod, making access to the engine bay straightforward and convenient for inspections or maintenance tasks. To close the bonnet, gently lower it until it's about 40 centimeters or roughly shoulder level above the vehicle. From this height, firmly drop the bonnet. This ensures both latches engage properly and securely. Avoid pushing it down, as this might not fully secure both sides. Check for any gaps to confirm it's completely closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.